Okay, I think we're about ready to mount. And I have my helper here, so it might take longer. We're going to mount this new American Standard right up there, which was the existing. If you saw the other videos, that was the existing bracket, and it's exactly the same, except I was missing that screw, so I put that in. And here's my helper. Say hi.
Hi.
How old are you?
4.
Okay. And I had him watching TV earlier, but I guess he got bored. So let's see how this goes. What you have to do, I'll show you. Get this little, I don't know what to call it, hook. I'll see if I can show you. So you can see. Okay, Levi's going to show you something. What do you got there? A grape. Okay.
Grape.
There's a grape. It's green. Anyway, sorry about that. So this little hook will, you can see it. It's hooking towards the center of the unit. It's going to hook right up here, and then you just turn it to slide up this ramp until it's tight. And there's 3 of them. Okay, and it doesn't matter. Okay, let's see another grape. Okay, there's a grape. We can see it, Levi. Okay, yep, there it is. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay, buddy? Now this is, I think you can see it. I don't know, the white pipe's in the way there, but I gotta put the camera somewhere. Buddy, just stand back, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna do my best. I can't really see what you're seeing. I gotta pay attention here. You definitely almost need 3 hands for this, but okay, I got it. I got it hooked. I'm just holding the bottom up. Okay, there's another grape. They got it, buddy. Just holding the bottom up like that. My elbow is braced on the wood there to give me some leverage, so I don't just exhaust myself. And that wasn't too hard. You can see I got them all. Tighten that up now, and that's supporting it. Now let's see about hooking up the. Okay, shoot. You know what? Let's see how bad I messed up. I think now that it's in there.
Dada.
Okay, let's see. Levi, back off. We got to figure this out because obviously. Oh, okay. Now the whole. Okay, my light fell. Sorry about that. The whole thing can turn now. I forgot about that. So that's going to make it easier to hook up. Levi, can you please go watch TV or something? So now let me line this up. See if we can get this plumbing hooked up. Okay. You know what? Let's make another video because I forgot I do need something right there. It's still on that other piece, I think. I'll stop this now and figure out what I need and make another video. I've got to hook up 2 things. One of them I'm ready for. That's nice and easy. Let's see. Let's go ahead and just do this. So this is my dishwasher connection. You know what? That's the wrong way. I'm gonna just. The hose clamp fell off earlier, and I'm gonna put it back on so it'll be easier to tighten. Okay, so let's get that on. And I will. I think I need that. I think I need this right on the edge there. Okay. Can you see that? Yeah, you guys can see that. Okay. So let me push that on. I'll go stop the video, get what I need, including a screwdriver to tighten that, and then connect here and start another video. All right, thanks for watching.